This is it, brand new BMW X3 M40i. Absolutely love this car. It is just gorgeous. So what this is carbon black, and in some light it looks black, and in some light you'll see little hints of blue shine coming through. It is just an absolutely beautiful car. I love the wheels on it. It has, of course, the M Sport brakes, M wheels, and then as we go inside, it's got the M handle on it, and it is just an amazing vehicle. It's absolutely beautiful, super clean, super nice, so comfortable. Love it. And it becomes an absolute beast. So when I start this thing up and I put this in sport mode, it is unbelievable. This car becomes such a maniac. So it has 382 horsepower and 365 pound-feet of torque. It rips down the road, and I love it. It's just fun. So let me start it up so you can get a little hint of that exhaust note. We'll do that right now. Doesn't that sound awesome? I love the way it sounds.